Okay. Hi, I'm Woody Zool. And some people will often ask, what is software teaming? And software teaming is a very basic concept. Almost all the work that we do requires collaboration in some form. Software teaming is about increasing our collaboration to the most effective we can make it, whatever that means. There's no specific rules to doing that. Software teaming grew out of the efforts of one team that was trying to figure out how to better collaborate. So if we really focus on that, we use this concept called turn up the good, where we look at something that's working and try to make it even better. So that ended up being us doing something that we used to call mob programming, and I now typically call software teaming, although it's also known as ensemble programming. We use this in creating software with a team, 5 or 6 or more people even sitting together, working on the same thing at the same time, in the same space, and at the same computer. Now that space can be virtual. It doesn't have to be us sitting in the same room. We can be sitting in different rooms or in our different homes, like we often do working remotely now. But the concept is we're going to focus on one thing at a time, and the whole team will interact together to come up with the right ideas we need to solve the problem that we're trying to work on. Now, a lot of the times, we're going to have many different ideas. So one of the things we need to focus on is trying the different ideas. We open ourselves up to trying every idea that comes forward. So if you could picture, instead of a solo person with their earphones on, looking at the screen intently and in their own headspace working, we have 5 or 6 people discussing, using a whiteboard, trying the things, seeing what happens, and moving on. This allows us to contribute our best ideas into the effort together in real time, so that we don't have ideas stagnating when we work alone, as it often happens. We are actually activating each other's ideas. So if you just picture that 5 or 6 people sitting at one computer, sharing ideas, getting them into the computer, and progressing. Now, this seems like it wouldn't be very effective, but we have found it to be a highly effective way of working. So I invite you to explore the idea. Software teaming has worked well for me and for some teams I've worked on, and I'd love to hear your ideas about it too.